So good day guys and welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you're not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel, guys, so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our EURJPY. So what is EURJPY actually going to be giving us for the day? First we'll start with the trend. What can you see the trend is? Now, in this market, we have three main movements, right? One market is either trending to the upside, or market is trending to the downside, or market is literally ranging. These are the movements you're most likely going to find. Now, when you take a look at this here, EURJPY, it is very clear that market is what's ranging, but at the same time, it is also trending to the upside. And this trending to the upside that market is doing is just the current movement. So the current trend right here on this EURJPY will be an uptrend, and we would expect that uptrend to continue that way. Now, take a look at this. There was a time the market literally sold out that came to tap our support level, right? The market eventually, did some movement back and forth, rejected from it multiple times before it eventually pushed up again to form a new high. Here comes the pullback, which is an higher low. Market then push up again to form a new higher high. This is the higher low. Market then did push up again to form a new higher high. This is the higher low. So with this higher low, guys, what you should expect market to push up to it is able to form a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous side. So a bullish move for the day is what you should be expecting. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. Now, if you don't want to miss out on the updates, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like and share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram. You will find a link to the Telegram in the comment section. So above all, EURJPY should give us a bullish move. Clear this eye for us.